Invest $1,000 a week. Week 72 Review. Open position. Today I will review week 72 result and discuss plan for week 73. At the end of the week 72, I own 486.4 Apple and 69.5 Microsoft shares. My total gain is $11,169.21. On Friday, the Labor Department will release its June jobs report. It is expected to show an acceleration in rehiring and lower unemployment rate. Consumer Confidence Index, which is expected to reflect a strong pickup in sentiment during the recovery and heading into the summer. Both services and manufacturing companies have cited shortages of qualified workers to fill open positions, which hit the record high of over 9 million as of the latest data. This week, I will continue to invest $200 per day. Let's see how the market moves this week. Please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on the next episode.